Myocardium is, remember, the cardiac muscle part of it. And you have pacemaker cells and contractile cells. The pacemaker cells are autorhythmic and they're myogenic cells. They spontaneously depolarize. So they spontaneously produce action potentials, and it's actually rhythmic. The contractile cells, their job is to contract. So they're going to get the impulse from the pacemaker cells, and then they're going to contract. In order for them to contract, what filaments do they have to have present to contract?
Calcium and...
Okay, they have to have calcium, but what filaments? What protein filaments? Myosin and
actin.
Actin, okay? So the pacemaker cells, their job is to depolarize. Contractile cells, they're going to contract. The actin and myosin are going to contract them. All of them rely on potassium, calcium, sodium, and a little bit of chloride. We don't really count chloride in this class, so we're not really going to worry about it. But notice it's the same as nerve and skeletal muscle, right? And these guys, the action potentials look a little bit different. So you can tell what kind of cell it is, whether it's a pacemaker cell or a contractile cell, based on the action potential. Okay, the flow of electrical current is going to start at the sinoatrial node, and it's going to spread throughout the atria. It's going to hit the atrioventricular node, go through the bundle of His, or the AP bundle, split down the right and left bundle branches, and go up the Purkinje fibers, right? So electrical conduction system, it goes sort of in this plane, in this direction. And if you remember from anatomy, the atria and the ventricles are isolated electrically from one another, right? The anatomy is set up so that the atria depolarize, and then it goes through the AV node, and then the ventricles depolarize. And the way that they depolarize, the atria depolarize from the top down, and so then they contract from the top down. The ventricles depolarize from the interventricular septum up. So in essence, they depolarize through the middle point and up the side of the walls. And so what this guy does is the ventricles are going to contract from the bottom up. And so that wave of depolarization, or that pathway of depolarization, helps them contract and